Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for the SWIFT code for Paytm Payments Bank? Here's what you need to know. If you search for it, you won't find one. That's because Paytm Payments Bank does not support international transactions and doesn't have a SWIFT code. So how can you receive international payments? Use a bank like HDFC, SBI, or ICICI, which have SWIFT codes for international transfers. Or you can use PayPal, Wise, or Western Union to receive money from abroad. So while Paytm can't help with international payments, this option can like and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching.